Welcome. If you've noticed Pinterest draining your battery or using data in the background on your Android device, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a quick and effective way to stop Pinterest from running in the background, helping you save both battery life and data. This guide is fully updated for the latest Android versions, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. You can usually find it as a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to open your list of installed applications. Now, scroll through your apps or use the search bar at the top to find Pinterest. Tap on Pinterest to open its app info page. Here, you'll see several options related to how the app behaves on your device. Next, look for the battery section. This is where you control how much power Pinterest is allowed to use when you're not actively using it. Tap on Battery to open more options. You'll see a few choices for background activity. To stop Pinterest from running in the background, select Restricted. This setting tells your phone to limit Pinterest's ability to work when you're not using it directly. Once you select Restricted, Pinterest won't be able to refresh, send notifications, or use data in the background, which can help extend your battery life and reduce unwanted data usage. That's it. You've just taken control over Pinterest's background activity on your Android device. If you ever want to reverse this, simply follow the same steps and choose a less restrictive setting. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or want to see another app covered? Drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to check it out. See you in the next video.